Alright guys, today I'm trying out this tailgate assist from Amazon. This is what it looks like. This is the part number. It was super easy to install. It actually comes with a T50, I believe this is. Here's how it looks. You have to pry this back, take this part off, take this out with a T50. It's an upper bracket. You just put that back together like that. Then the lower is super easy too. You have to take the bottle opener off though, because it won't close correctly. But it seems pretty good so far. It's pretty quiet, doesn't make any noise. Let me know if one of you guys got this. How long did it hold up? Because it was only 20 bucks. Right now I'm replacing the tail lights, the LEDs also. It comes with some crazy number for the LEDs that's pretty hard to find, so I just went with 3157s. They have like a little notch on the side. So what I did was took the grinder and just grinded off the little sides right here. Boom, boom. And it fits perfectly. They're super bright, and these are more common to find than the others. So real quick, I'll show you guys how to get the tail lights out. I'm pretty sure you saw a million videos about it online. It's an 8mm here and an 8mm there, and they just pull out. It might be a little hard to pull it out on the first time if you never took them out before. I just actually got the truck, so just making small little upgrades at a time. But for 40 bucks, you can change the tailgate assist and the LED bulbs.